there people, welcome to Tuesday Newsday on Mr. Unbox. Don't forget to subscribe if you want our weekly gadget news and add notification if you want to be one of the first to know, and you'll be well on your way to becoming the next gadget guru among your friends. Electric unicycle maker InMotion has just opened for pre-orders for their new V10 and V10F. For $199, you can be first in line to get your wheel when they roll out of the factory. And they also launched a competition where you can win the chance to becoming one of the first to ride and review the new V10. This competition is only open to US residents, so we will not be joining. If you're from InMotion Europe, please hook us up with a wheel, and we promise that we'll make a very thorough and very honest review. Our friends from EVNerrds were one of the first to announce the rumors for this wheel. They estimate that the V10 will be able to go 50 kilometers on a charge, and the V10F should be able to go 70 kilometers on a charge. It should also have enough power to be able to go 40 kilometers per hour. The weight is set to be 18 kilos for the V10 and 20 kilos for the V10F. And this will make it the heaviest 16-inch wheel on the market today. And just to compare, the Kingsung KS16 with an 840 watt-hour battery weighs 17 kilos. These are of course all rumors, and InMotion shares absolutely nothing on their website. They just have an image and a small teaser, and that's it. It's like watching a campaign from Samsung or from Apple. It's just enough to spark your curiosity, and that's it. Given the history of InMotion and how they usually handle the market, I would say that the V10 is not going to replace the V8. It's more likely to be for a completely different purpose. Looking at the broad 2.5-inch tire with heavy patterns, this suggests that this wheel is meant for off-road riding. I believe that InMotion will leave the V5 and the V8 on market and let the V10 be part of a completely different segment, a segment where we will also soon see the 9BOD C series. So the V8, which is also a 16-inch wheel, will continue to cover the urban commuter segment. InMotion was the first electric unicycle maker to introduce the kill switch, a small button that would allow you to lift the wheel without turning off the engine completely. And this is a function that both Godway and Kingsung is now copying. Godway will get a small button on the upcoming MCM4, and Kingsung will most likely have a sensor on the 18L that will allow you to lift the wheel. I have a strong feeling that the V10 will introduce something revolutionizing as well. I have no idea what it should be, but InMotion has a tradition of bringing in something completely new, something unexpected. It could be anything from a built-in kickstand to a foot-activated bell, or something specifically meant for off-road riding like shock absorbers or four-wheel drive. What do you think of the V10 specifications? Is it going to be a V8 replacement, or is it something completely new? Let me know in the comments below. The official sales is going to start on the 10th of April, and the testing will take place between the 25th of March and the 4th of April. So even though we don't have a lot of information yet, we will soon get to know a lot more. Until next time, stay frosty people, and see ya!